4D is a huge buzzword right now. Everyone in automation is talking about 4D. Used to be 3D, now it's 4D. But basically, what it is it's tasks that are dull, dangerous, dirty, and dear. These jobs, for example, welding is one of them, and hence the welding solutions that we have. The problem with 4D right now is, as the amount and quality, and I mean the quantity and quality of jobs are growing and expanding all the time, what happens is there are a lot of people deciding to work in less 4D jobs, let's say. And these people, they are moving away from conventional, actually quite high-paying jobs like welding, and they decide to pursue other careers. And then what you get is a huge shortage in these industries with 4D tasks. 4D, yes, it's a huge buzzword, but rightfully so, because there's a huge problem right now with 4D tasks. Globally, a lot of shortages everywhere, especially in the West. So solutions like ours, we are trying to solve them. We are an automation company. We set out to solve problems in manufacturing, especially shortages, labor shortages. And what we did is we set out to solve the hardest, the most difficult, the dirtiest, the most dull. So basically 4D tasks. The reason we did that is because these tasks, these jobs are, not fancy jobs. The amount of people working in these jobs is going smaller and smaller. There should be a solution addressing these problems, addressing the ever-growing shortage in this industry. So we set out to do 4D tasks.